In this video, I would like to introduce you to the app that I have designed with the use of HTML, CSS, and vanilla JavaScript to help my child with neurodiversity prepare for his Year 4 Times Tables maths assessment. I had several constraints to take into consideration. He has difficulty using apps like Times Tables Rockstars, which are available on the market and have been created for a similar purpose. One problem is that most apps require the user to use a mouse or a mouse pad if used on a desktop, and he has dyspraxia. It takes him a long time to locate the pointer on the screen and aim it at the right field. He sometimes needs assistance to click in the right place. For the same reason, practicing on paper is not the best choice, as it takes him a long time to handwrite the numbers. The other problem is that most apps are designed to be entertaining and busy, which distracts my boy from focusing on the task. The third problem is that apps use various level systems and other interactive elements, which Alex finds difficult to navigate. This takes away his ability to use the app independently. He also cannot use mobile apps, as he would be tempted to switch to YouTube or Maps, which he prefers over practicing maths. So, taking these constraints into consideration, I've adapted the app to work purely on typing in the numbers and pressing the Enter key. As you can see, I have deployed the app to Netlify, so it is available online from his computer, his school computer, or any desktop device, wherever he is. And on load, the app will generate a times table questions using two numbers from 0 to 12. The input field has autofocus on, so it is ready for the answer to be typed in. Once you press enter, the app checks whether the answer is correct and will provide feedback, which times out after 2.5 seconds. The first example is 0 times 1. I think it's probably 0, and I press enter to check. I'm absolutely right, and I receive a star. So once answer has been submitted, the input field is disabled for the duration of feedback presentation and until the next question is generated. So we see the question number 2 here, 7 times 9. Let's say I don't remember the exact answer and I type in 50. I press enter and I get, oh no, the correct answer is 63. So for the question number 2, I receive a cross, which means the answer has been incorrect. On every answer, the user will receive a star, as you can see, for the correct answer and a cross for an incorrect one. For testing purposes in this video, the total number of questions is limited to 4. In real life, the number of questions will amount to, say, 15, which should take around 2 minutes on average for the user to complete. It's very easy to increase or decrease the number of questions to adapt to the user needs. Let's say we get to the end of the game. 9 times 11 will be 99. Press enter. I'm absolutely right this time. And the last question is 6 times 8, which I would think would be 48. And I am absolutely right again. So once the number of questions reaches the total, the summary message will display to notify the user that the game has been completed, how many correct answers have been recorded, and depending on the level of accuracy of the correct answers, a different message will appear. If 90% of the questions or above have been answered correctly, the user will see a superstar message. On 75% or above, as I have scored here, the user will say, oh, you're so smart, great result. And anything below 75% accuracy will just cheer the user up and will suggest to play the game again. And to play the game again, all you need to do is hit that enter key and the game is ready to be played from the start.